Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade cryptocurrencies on Etoro. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including cryptocurrencies. To get started, you need to create an account on Etoro, which is a straightforward process that requires basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you need to verify your identity and deposit funds into your account. Etoro offers various deposit methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. After your account is funded, you can start exploring the platform and searching for cryptocurrencies to trade. Etoro offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can browse through the available cryptocurrencies and view their current prices, charts, and other relevant information. To trade a cryptocurrency, simply click on the buy or sell button, enter the amount you want to trade, and confirm the transaction. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading platform, which allows users to follow and copy the trades of other experienced traders. This feature can be useful for beginners who want to learn from others and improve their trading skills. You can also use Etoro's built-in charts and technical analysis tools to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. When trading cryptocurrencies on Etoro, it is essential to understand the concept of leverage and margin. Leverage allows you to trade with a larger amount of money than you have in your account, which can increase your potential profits, but also increases your potential losses. Margin is the amount of money required to open a trade, and it is essential to manage your margin carefully to avoid significant losses. To manage your risk, Etoro offers a range of risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and take-profit orders. A stop-loss order automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price, limiting your potential losses. A take-profit order automatically closes a trade when it reaches a certain price, securing your profits. Best practices for trading cryptocurrencies on Etoro include starting with a small amount of money, setting realistic goals, and staying up to date with market news and trends. It is also essential to diversify your portfolio by trading multiple cryptocurrencies and to avoid over-leveraging your account. In conclusion, trading cryptocurrencies on Etoro can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning, risk management, and a solid understanding of the markets. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the platform's features and tools, you can improve your trading skills and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means.